In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the advisory role so that you can see what's going on with students. So I'm on my Schoology homepage. Click on Tools. You see the Advisor dashboard. I'll click on that. I can now search for a student on my campus. So if I put in the last name, click on her name, I get a summary of all the courses she's currently in, any groups she belongs to, her calendar, things that are going on with her over here. I can also take a closer look at her calendar if I'm interested. I can look at any grades that are entered. We're not doing attendance, but that button is there. Not sure why my internet is going so slow right now, but it is. Welcome to the new world. If I go back to my summary, okay, so I'm back in my summary, so I can go inside of any of her classes and take a look what's going on in that class. When I'm inside that class, some of them will be using student progress, so if I click on that, I can see she's actually been doing what she's supposed to. But again, this is just a way for you to get a quick overview and insight into what is going on with students and whether or not they are engaging in the course.